Are you looking for ways to unlock network or carrier of your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus? If yes, you are at the right place. In this video, I am going to explain you how to unlock Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Please see this video and follow the instructions step by step. Step 1. Visit unlocking360.com website. Step 2. Select your manufacturer. Step 3. Select your phone model. Step 4. Click on Unlock Now button. Step 5. Enter the mobile's IMEI number. The IMEI code is a 15 to 17-digit number unique to your phone, which you can obtain by typing *#06# followed by the call key. Step 6. Enter your email ID on which you will get your unlock code. Step 7. Select country name. Step 8. Select the current network your phone which is locked. Do not select the network you want to use. Step 9. Click on Submit button. Step 10. You will get order status notification on your email ID. Once the code is generated, unlocking360.com support team will send your unlock code on your email ID. If the free unlock code available for your device, you will get your unlock code on your email ID instantly. If the free unlock code is not available for your device, you will have to pay for the unlock code. After receiving unlock code, you need to follow following instruction to enter the unlock code. Step 1. Insert SIM card from a source different than your original service provider. If you have a Rogers phone, use a non-Rogers SIM card. Step 2. Phone will ask you to enter SIM unlock PIN. Step 3. Enter unlock code. Step 4. Phone will be unlocked. If you find any difficulty to unlock your phone, please comment below in the comment box. We will help you. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel to get update about any carrier unlock and amp. Get any SIM unlock code. Do you know what are benefits of unlocking a phone? There are many benefits of unlocking your phone. Benefit 1. Freedom from network. The first and foremost benefit of unlocking your phone is that you won't be bound to any specific network anymore. You can freely change your network operator and enjoy the services. Benefit 2. No contracts. When a seller sells you a phone with a contract, it is primarily to ensure that the company ends up making more money. And the best part is you can get the same plan on your phone even after unlocking it. Hence, by unlocking your phone, you can get rid of a contract. Benefit 3. Hassle-free travel. When you're traveling overseas and have a locked phone with you, you're going to rack up massive roaming charges. Once you've got your phone unlocked, you can use any of the local SIMs from the country you are traveling to and you are sorted. If you have any questions or doubt, please visit https://www.unlocking360.com or contact us info@unlocking360.com. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.